So my right eyebrow is already done. I'm going to start on my left. Using my spoolie brush, I'm going to brush my wild hairs back into the shape of my brow. I do get my eyebrows done because it's easier to do my eyebrows when they're done and cleaned up. I'm taking my eyebrow brush, which is on the other end of my spoolie brush, and I'm going to apply my Anastasia pomade that I have in the color of ebony, and I'm going to try the chocolate color next. I don't start at the beginning of my brow anymore because I started getting a box look, so I tried something different. I literally just follow the shape of my brow. Same for the top. I don't start at the beginning and I'm going to connect the ends. As soon as I connect the ends, I'm going to fill in the eyebrows. I'm going to use my brush again to spread the pomade in the spots that didn't get filled because sometimes it doesn't spread all the way, so brushing it could help. Now I'm going to start the front of my brow. I try to use the light hand. In the front, I don't like to fill it in like the rest. I use this technique to get a natural effect. Sometimes I smudge with my fingers. Right now, I'm starting to like fix anything that just doesn't seem right before I start concealing because my concealer is going to clean everything up anyway. Nobody's perfect. I'm not even perfect, so using concealer is like the best thing ever. I use Pro Concealer. I use Fawn in the color because that was the closest I could get. I start at the beginning of the brow and work my way to the end following the brow. Just make sure that you follow the brow. So the number one thing that girls don't do enough is blend. Blend them brows. Blend them like there ain't nothing left to blend on this earth, because if you don't blend them, then you're gonna get ghost brows, or somebody gonna be talking about them brows. So blend. You could drag your concealer down more to your eyelid if you want to do like eyeshadow, but I'm just doing eyebrows, so I'm not really dragging it far down. Still blending. A small step that I added in was adding a darker concealer on top of the concealer that I used the first time, so that I don't get a ghost look. It just makes it blend better with my skin. Blends again. I use the concealer that's closest to my skin tone, or my foundation to do the top, because the top just doesn't need a light concealer to me. And again, I'm following the shape of my brow when I'm concealing, just getting small things. I don't do anything perfect, so the concealer helps me. And now I'm just going to do small touch-ups. If you see that your brow need to be fixed in any type of way, then just touch it up. So this is the after look. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.